Immigrant families are worried about being torn apart after a Supreme Court decision today.
The justices deadlocked on a case challenging President Obama's executive actions on immigration. The decision against the president impacts more than 4 million undocumented immigrants who stood to benefit. CBS North Carolina's Michael Hyland joins us in the studio. Michael.
In challenging the president, Governor Pat McCrory and leaders in other states say he overreached and what he did was unconstitutional. But tonight, families had a message for the governor.
Some of these people had been waiting and waiting. In 2014, President Obama announced an executive action to defer deportation for more than 4 million undocumented immigrants, allowing them to get work permits. As the case against the president moved through the court system, Xochitl Hernandez hoped one day she could take advantage of the program.
I dream about continuing my education, going to the university, helping families that same as me have children with special needs.
The Supreme Court deadlocked on a decision Thursday, holding up a lower court ruling against President Obama.
Doesn't just set the system back even further. It takes us further from the country that we aspire to be.
These protesters criticized Republican Governor Pat McCrory for joining with leaders in about 24 states to challenge the executive action.
Stood up for the state of North Carolina in that role, and our state's leading Attorney General Roy Cooper failed to do his only job.
A spokesman for Cooper called the lawsuit partisan and a waste of taxpayer time and money.
We're a nation of laws and a nation of people who abide by them. And when you don't abide by laws, there are consequences.
Geraldine Rodriguez is a U.S. citizen, but her mother, Carmen, isn't. The president said people like Carmen will remain a low priority for enforcement, as long as they don't commit crimes. But that did little to ease Geraldine's concerns.
It's sad to know that they could just stop my mom and take her away.
Hillary Clinton called the decision today heartbreaking. Meanwhile, Donald Trump tweeted the decision kept the country safe from what he called executive amnesty. Sharon?